Is all not well within the UP BJP after the Lok Sabha debacle? Our Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Deputy CM Keshav Prasad Maurya at loggerheads. A Lucknow meet to review poll performance, followed by Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya's cryptic Twitter post, and one-on-one meeting with President JP Nadda has left everybody asking, what is going on? Why is the Aam Aadmi Party suddenly reminded of Arvind Kejriwal's this too-old-month remark?
योगी जी, आपके असली दुश्मन तो आपकी पार्टी में बैठे हैं। मुझे गाली देने से क्या फायदा?
Social media is flooded with the posts claiming that all is not well between CM and his deputy and that some unprecedented development is underway in UP. Amid signs of trouble within the party's state unit, reports of big cabinet rejig after by-polls on 10 assembly seats have also surfaced. A review meeting, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister reportedly having a different take, hectic parleys in Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. What lies behind this political turmoil in India's most populous state? Let's understand. In politics, they say your first rival is in your own party. And Uttar Pradesh's BJP unit seems to be grappling with the same intra-party rivalry. On July 14th, the BJP organized a state executive meeting in order to dissect its Lok Sabha debacle. But the meeting made the headlines not for the positive takeaways. Soon after, two senior leaders addressed the BJP workers. Several reports highlighted the difference in tone and tenor of Yogi Adityanath and Keshav Prasad Maurya.
लेकिन जैसा वोटों की शिफ्टिंग होती है और कहीं पर जब हम लोग ये मान करके चलते हैं कि आत्मविश्वास में कि हम तो जीत ही रहे हैं, तो स्वाभाविक रूप से वहां पर कहीं ना कहीं हमें खामियाजा भी भुगतना पड़ता है।
This executive meet was followed by Maurya's two separate meetings with party chief JP Nadda. Maurya took to social media and reasserted himself with a post on X. Several media reports have quoted party insiders to claim that there is a growing sense of uneasiness between Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Deputy CM Keshav Prasad Maurya. And as expected, the opposition, which has strengthened itself in UP, has grabbed this opportunity to target the Saffron Party with Akhilesh Yadav leading the India Bloc's charge.
और हम सावधान करना चाहते उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता को भी कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग आपस में लड़कर के और कुर्सी की लड़ाई में पूरा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन खत्म कर दिया है, जहां इन्हीं के विधायक, इन्हीं के लोग आरोप लगा रहे हैं कि भ्रष्टाचार चल रहा है।
Not really. This is not the first time such reports have surfaced. The alleged uneasiness between the two dates back to 2021, months before the state's assembly polls. As per the reports, ever since Yogi Adityanath became UP CM for the first time in March 2017, the two leaders have not been on good terms. However, as the suspicion over who will lead the Saffron camp in 2022 assembly polls grew, the rift between the two leaders became even more evident. However, in June 2021, Yogi Adityanath's visit to KP Maurya's residence to bless his newly wed son had pacified their discord. Around the same time, several reports had claimed that PM Modi was unhappy with UP CM's reluctance to accommodate AK Sharma, Modi's trusted civil servant, in his cabinet. The dust finally settled with Prime Minister Modi tweeting a picture with Yogi Adityanath and his public appreciation of the Chief Minister with his famous UP plus Yogi is Upayogi remark. Amid such reports, opposition has repeatedly targeted Yogi Adityanath. Ahead of the Lok Sabha polls 2024, even Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal had claimed that BJP will remove Yogi from CM's post.
योगी आदित्यनाथ जी को अगर ये लोग जीत गए तो योगी आदित्यनाथ जी को 2 से 3 महीने के अंदर उत्तर प्रदेश के सीएम पद से हटा दिया जाएगा।
Kejriwal had further highlighted how not a single top BJP leader had countered his claims. But amid opposition's barrage of jibes, there is not much for India Bloc to celebrate. Keshav Prasad Maurya himself took to Twitter to counter SP chief Akhilesh Yadav. Maurya clearly told him that the BJP remains united at both the cadre level and at the government level in UP. While Maurya's response might bring some relief for the Saffron camp, the developments in the state cannot be ignored.